Intro plus disclaimer. Welcome back to BlackStack. Before we start, this video is only for ethical learning and educational demonstration. Everything shown here is done on localhost and legal environments only. Never use these tools on real websites or systems you don't own. Start first. Let's open Play Store and search for Termux. Install the one by Frederick Fornwall. Once installed, open Termux and type these commands one by one. Copy all commands from the description below. Now hit Y and press Enter. Let it get installed. While it installs, make sure you've liked and subscribed. Your support really helps me keep this series running. Drop a comment if you face any issue or just want to discuss cybersecurity stuff. Once it's done, type clear to reset Termux and start fresh. Installing zPhisher. Now, type these commands. pkg install ter repo pkg install zPhisher. That's it. Now, the menu you see is the dashboard of zPhisher. For this video, let's select Instagram, purely for testing and learning purposes only. Disclaimer reminder. Remember, no real targets, no unauthorized testing. This is just a local simulation. Demo run. Let's go with option 1, traditional login page. Next, it's asking for which service to use. We'll first try running it on Cloudflare. Oops, looks like we got an error. Let's try recreating it using local expose. Again, an error. But no worries. If you're watching this later, maybe the patch is already fixed. For now, we'll run it on localhost. We got our local URL, http://127.0.0.1:8080. Let's open it in Chrome to check. Now I'll fill a demo ID and password, just for demonstration. Submitting, and boom, we got the logs. Now to stop the process, press Ctrl+C. Then type exit to close Termux and end the environment. That's all for today's demo. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to set up, beginner-friendly, and good for concept visualization. Cons: outdated at times, many payloads may not work, and public use is illegal. Right versus wrong use. Right use: practice in labs, understand phishing structure, and learn how to defend. Wrong use: stealing credentials or targeting others. Never do that. Final disclaimer +. Outro. Again, this content is for ethical and educational use only. Always take permission before testing anything. Stay responsible, stay safe, and keep learning with BlackStack.